Hello and welcome to the Business Analytics with Excel course offered by SimplyLearn. This video will give you an overview about the importance of analytics in business today, why it is in demand among a lot of organizations, and how you can effectively leverage Microsoft Excel for data analytics.
Section. The group by functionality in Excel allows us to show necessary data and hide unnecessary data for easy viewing and analysis. We can also create subtotals and outline for a given set of data. Group by can be done for rows or columns. Let us discuss about the steps for grouping data. The first step is to select the rows and columns you want to group. Now, click on Group under Data tab. There will be a pop-up tab to choose either rows or columns. Choose columns and click on OK. This groups the three columns chosen and applies a control to show or hide the grouped content. Clicking on hyphen hides the content, whereas clicking on plus shows the grouped content. Similarly, for row-wise grouping, select the rows you want to group. Click on Group under the Data tab, and then select Rows option from the dialog box and click on OK. Here again, clicking on hyphen hides the content, and clicking on plus shows the grouped content. However, we can create a group within a group by choosing rows or columns within the group data. This will be the result. Let us now learn about ungrouping. The ungroup option allows us to remove the groups created by group. In order to ungroup, choose the data already chosen for grouping, either row or column. Click on Ungroup under the Data tab. Choose rows to remove row level grouping. Now you will notice that the group chosen will be removed. Now, let us understand the concept of subtotal. Subtotal allows us to create groups and have a subtotal for each group. Let us understand this by taking an example. For the following dataset, we can find the total per student by grouping on students and adding their marks. Now, let us select the data we need to group by in subtotal. Click on Subtotal under Data tab. Now click on the column to which the sum function has to be applied. The subtotaling provides control to group and shows subtotals per student.